Think about the last 24 hours. Did you grab a coffee, order groceries online, or walk through a mall? If yes, you have already experienced retail in action. Retail is not just about products on a shelf, it is the engine that fuels everyday lives that we live. And the truth is, without retail, our world would stop functioning as we all know it. Hi, I am Ankur Goyal. Over the last 15 years, I have worked with some of the biggest retailers and the global brands. I'm shaping digital transformation, designing IT strategies, and building omni-channel solutions that impacts millions of customers every single day. I have seen retail from inside the boardroom, from inside the store, and now through this course. I want to bring all that knowledge directly to you. This course is not just a theory that you will forget tomorrow. I will try to give the practical, structured journey that will take you through from the fundamentals of retail all the way to the advanced strategies in store operation, merchandising, supply chain, marketing, advanced analytics, finance, and whatnot. By the end, you will not just understand how retail works, you will start thinking like a retail leader. So let's just start at the very foundation. What exactly is retail and why it is so powerful and important? Once we understand that, everything else from supply chain to marketing falls into one place. Let's move on. We will start with retail industry fundamentals, building a strong base by understanding what is retail all about, how it has evolved, the different types of retail format, and the key business models. And this is how our course is structured. First, we will cover retail fundamentals, which right now we are on, which is the foundation for anything and everything that we are going to learn. Then we will move through the store operation, merchandising function, where you will learn how day-to-day operation works at the ground level. Next, we will get into the supply chain management, marketing, loyalty strategies, pricing and promotion, finance, that engines that drive retail profitability. After that, we will deep dive into the e-commerce, omni-channel, and retail technologies, which will equip you for the digital transformation happening across the industry. Finally, we sharpen your skills with the future-focused model, which is around AI, blockchain, automation, analytics, and a glimpse of the retail KPIs. So you are ready not just for today's retail job, but for the future of retail leadership. Your goal at the end of this journey is to achieve retail industry mastery and set yourself for an exciting, impactful career in retail. Let's get started now. Talking about the retail fundamentals, this module will work as a base for the other module, and we are going to cover what is retailing, classification of retailing, in landscape worldwide, industry trends, different business models, and job hierarchy, where you can map yourself which particular job or the type that you wanted to move on.